How to transfer crypto from LBank to Binance Exchange. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can transfer cryptos from LBank Exchange to Binance. So for that case, you just have to go and log in into your LBank account. When you're logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on Trade. Next, you need to go ahead and select the wallet. As you do that, you'll be able to see the asset that you wish to go with. So select the asset as well. As soon as you've done that, select the network type, and next you need to go ahead and enter in the details. So while you're on this page, what you can do is you can just go ahead and open up your Binance application and then copy the deposit address. As you're done copying the address here, you need to paste in that and enter the exact amount and all that, and confirm it by entering deposit crypto and all of that. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from LBank Exchange to Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.